Hello friends, welcome to our channel Castor classes. In our previous video, we have seen how you can handle CSV file, text file in Python, okay, in Jupyter Notebook. Now we will be learning how you can handle images in Python, okay. So what we will be doing for that, we need to import one library from PIL, okay. This is Python imaging library. It supports lots of things related to image processing like image resizing, image cropping, color conversion, image rotating, all these things, okay. And from this we need to only import image, okay. There are image processing functions are present, for video processing functions are present. Our interest is image, okay. So we have first imported this and then we will be taking one image. So e equal to image dot, remember what we have done in file handling, like for text file we first open the file, similarly here open, okay, and then give the complete address of the file where it is located and the file name, just same like what we have done for file handling in Python, okay. So I am going to desktop. Here I am having our channel logo Castor classes. This we will be using for our this particular experiment. So I will be going to properties, and from properties I will be simply copy the location, okay, and this is JPG file and the name is logo. All right, so what we will be doing, we will be pasting the same location here, then here logo dot JPG, don't forget to give this, and then whatever single slash is present, convert those to double slash, okay, as we have done in file handling also. Then I will run this. Then I want to get the image, so I want to show basically, so we will be applying e dot show. All right, I hope up to this it is quite clear. Now how it will show you, see here, now no images are opened. As soon as I will run this particular e dot show, one image will open here. Just check carefully. If I run, see here one image is opened, and here you can see this is our Castor classes. All right, so it is now showing our image. Now we can get some fundamental information about our image like e dot size, okay. It will give us the size in terms of tuple. See, it is returning one tuple, okay. So what it is returning, so it will return width and height of the image, okay. So this is one square image, we can say width and height are same. All right, then one more fundamental principle I want to show you, that is rotation, okay. So suppose I want to rotate my image by 45 degree. What I will be doing, e dot rotate, how much angle, 45 degree, and then this rotated image we have to show, right. So we will be writing show, okay. If I run, see again new image opened, and if I just open this, see now Castor classes, this whole image is rotated by an angle 45 degree. All right, so this is how you can play with image in Python. This is just fundamental concept. I will be discussing some more concept related to image handling or image related file handling in Python. Stay tuned. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and comment. Subscribe our channel if you have not subscribed till now, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos. Thank you.